fan has 3 settings. You can either keep it off, put it on low, or put it on high. Okay? Now, I don't know, some people, my brother is one of them, he actually cannot sleep without a fan going on. When he was little, he had a fan in his room, and now he has a fan. If he travels, he brings it to the hotel room. I don't know if he needs the noise or if he needs the air, what it is, but he needs a fan so that he can sleep. So I'm like, this would be intense. You're like, you need 3 fans. You need a fan in that corner of the room, and you need another fan in that corner and one on the floor. How many different ways could you set it up to have like a different windy ambience at night? Okay, so, well, you would have 3 decisions you would need to make. You have to decide fan number 1. How many choices does fan number 1 have? 3. How many choices for fan number 2? 3 again, and 3 again would give you 27 in total. Now, if I asked you to write them all out, it would be nice to have a systematic way so you're not like, which one haven't I included? Because when we were going through our trumpet, it was sort of like people said the same one because they're like, this one, was it said already or wasn't it? How do we systematically go about this? And one of the ways we can do that is something called a tree diagram. For decision 1, you have 3 choices. So we draw 3 branches. It could be off, it could be low, it could be high. Then, for each of those choices, when you go to fan 2, you have 3 choices. So we have 3 branches coming off of this one, 3 branches coming off of this one, and 3 branches coming off of this one. Off, low, high, off, low, high, off, low, high. And then for the third one, this is going to get a little annoying, but you'd have 3 branches. Good thing we didn't have 4 fans. Oh my goodness. And off, low, high, off, low, high, off, low, off. Oh my goodness. And branch number 1, if you wanted to list it, you would get 3 O's, right? And branch number 2 would be, right? And you could keep going, and you could list them all that way, right? Do you see how that would systematically get you all of your choices, right? Some are funnier than others, like this one. But other than that, that would be a systematic way of getting all 27. If you had 4 fans and had 81, you might just be like, I don't want to list them. I'm happy to know that there's 81. I will not give you a question that says, list all the license plates that are possible in Manitoba, because it would take you forever. It would be very, very long. Okay, questions for practice on this one are 3, 4, 6, 11, and 12. And you're going to find that there are lots of questions practiced in this unit because they're all like a little bit different.